Hey guys, we're gonna make an awesome breakfast. I'm gonna put it here. Let's get everything ready. We're gonna have bacon, pork roll, Taylor ham, hash browns, sausage patties. Actually, these are turkey sausage patties. Yeah, see, healthy, right? We're also going to have eggs, of course. We're going to have it's slipping my mind what they're called. English muffins. What else are we going to have? That's about it, I think. Unless there's something else that I'm not thinking of. But I think that's it. We're just going to pile it all on, and it's going to be awesome. I'm just getting things warmed up here. You know how to do bacon. I may just do that. But figure hash browns usually take the longest. We're going to do those probably with the sausage patties. These are frozen. Do those at the same time. Then we'll throw on the pork roll and the bacon together, probably, because they're going to take about the same amount of time. And then we're going to start toasting up some of the English muffins. And once those are finished, we'll do, or not finished, but getting finished, we'll do the eggs, because the eggs will just go quick. So everything's fired up. I'm going to put everything to about a medium here. But let me get some things on here, and we'll be right back. See you in a minute. Alright, so we've got 6 hash browns, 8 of these sausage patties, and these are the frozen things that are going to take the longest. So we'll go ahead and start with these. Again, we're about medium, let's go medium high on these. And there's no law against me not doing the bacon right now. Let's go ahead and do that. Oh, it's one of these hard to open ones. See if I can get it. Nope. Come on, bacon. Work with me. Alright, flip some of these over and see how they look. If I can grab it. We're getting there. Oh, I skipped you and I just wrecked that one bacon. Let me get all these guys back together here. Come on over for the party. Salt and pepper. A little pepper on the bacon. It is going to be salty enough as it is. So leave me a comment below. How do you like your bacon? Do you like it soft or do you like it crispy? I'm a soft bacon guy. However, everybody else in my family likes it crispy. So I'll probably make a good mix of both. Now we're basically just leaving it alone, letting it do what it wants to do. We don't really have to mess with it. Flip some of these around. I'll turn this heat down a little bit. Alright, I'm going to turn this guy off. Turn this guy to low. We still have about medium-high on these two. And I'm going to put these all over to the heat here. These are coming along nicely. The bacon grease is taking over here. Yeah, he's about done. Alright, bacon's done. We're going to pile that over here. Got bacon for everybody. We got the nice soft kind I like, and some crispier ones for my family. I'll get rid of some more of this grease. Not all of it. We'll be able to spread it around here in a minute. Pew, pew, pew. Pew, pew. Go! Pile these up over here. Alright, next. So we got some pork roll. So the trick for this, just like bologna, you want to make some cuts so it doesn't curl up on you. And then we'll just kind of throw them around. Ooh, that guy didn't get any cuts. Turn these down a little bit. So we can start to turn everything down because it's going to be egg time soon. These will be quick. These two are off, and these two are about low. They're coming out nice. Let's say these guys are done. They're very thin. Just pile these over here as well with everybody else. Go join the bacon party. And now we can do these English muffins. Should have got a fork to split them. I wasn't thinking, was I? So, of course, wash your hands before you use any kind of butter wheel. Alright, so these are going pretty well. Let's go ahead and take these off. So we're just making 5 piles. We'll cook up some eggs and then start building our sandwiches. Whoop. All right. That one looks good. Turn this back down to low, which I forgot to do. I'm always a fan of cracking your egg into a bowl first. Once you've opened an egg with blood in it, and you're going to do this too. I haven't done that in quite a while. Actually, since we've had our own chickens, I haven't seen it, but it scares me. Right, let's do 4 at a time. Salt and pepper. Try to shape this one a little better. And we're going to go ahead and poke them. May as well do some over here. Now I moved the griddle a little bit to get a better shot, and I didn't think about the levelness of it, unfortunately. Ooh, spill over, man. Let that one keep going. Let's grab 2 of our sandwich bottoms. what should we start with? Pork roll. Oops, that's the top. Do some pork roll, sausage. That's hot. Some bacon. Probably 3 pieces of bacon on each. Ooh, it's hot. Put this guy on. We'll get back in there, bacon. Cover him up. Woo! That's hot. And we'll let that, let him sit there for a minute. Put his buddy next to him. Make another. Woo! Alright, let's grab some of these sandwiches. Alright guys, time to pick one. I'm gonna pick this guy. So I see a little extra bacon's falling out. Oh, look at all that goodness. So you got, under here you got the muffin, you got the egg, pork roll, sausage, bacon, egg, again, cheese again, there's cheese on that one, more bacon, more pork roll, and the top of the muffin. Top of the muffin to you. Alright, so I'm going to try to squish everything together, take a bite that includes everything. That was awesome. Ow! Just the right amount of everything. And hash browns. Hot hash browns. So, if you guys like this, subscribe, leave a comment below. Please leave a comment, let me know, what you thought. Give me ideas. Next time we do a breakfast, I'm always looking for awesome things. But leave a comment, like the video if you loved it, comment if you didn't like it. But either way, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time. Woo! Alright, I better tell everybody this is ready. Otherwise the flies are going to come eat it all. So, we'll see ya. Whoa.